Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to activate Airalo eSIM on your mobile phone. So first of all, you can download the Airalo app inside your mobile phone and you can open it. Then you need to choose which country you want to buy the eSIM. So for example, Turkey. And right here, you will see lots of options. You need to choose your favorite one. Some of them have nice discounts like this. You need to click buy now right here. You need to look at the information before you will make the transaction. And if you agree, you need to click buy now right here. Then click complete order. Then you need to choose the payment method right here. You can use your credit or debit card, PayPal or Alipay and go through the transaction, guys. After you will buy the eSIM, then you can go back and right here when you go to the My eSIMs in the bottom menu, you will see the eSIM you just bought, guys. Right here, you need to click the eSIM and there will be a very simple instruction. Just go through prompts and you will activate the SIM inside your mobile phone, or you can just do the simple thing. If you have got the QR code of your eSIM, you need to go to the settings, then you need to go to the mobile service in the menu and choose eSIM, add eSIM right here, and then choose use QR code. It will open your web camera, guys, and you need to scan the QR code. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.